Hey, good day to you. This is Rian, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at dollar yen. On the daily chart, what we see over here is a uptrend movement, and we have a break and close above over here, and it further on to go on to a consolidation. So why is this important? Why do we need to see the chart naked, meaning say that nothing is being plotted? Because we have to know if there is any changes, and of course daily chart, we do know that formation of it can take from weeks to even months to form up, but as time goes, even after a week, the kind of formation may hint us of the upcoming potential movement as well as changes. That's why it's always a great practice, and it's not just for recording purposes. I go through this, and this is how exactly I go through my daily analysis as well, to run through the chart naked to see the overall movement. Is it bullish, bearish, and if there's anything else that's being highlighted, and I want the chart to be clean without indicator in order to do that, to have the best perspective. All right, even I've been looking at chart for 17 years. All right, so for our chart, what we have over here, well, what we can see is a retest of the previous low. Market went up, break and close above this high, but this is not a very important move. The important move is over here, because this is the move that have the movement of the bearish movement, that created the new low over here within this one time frame chart that we see. All right, so we have a lot of MNW formation, which is great for counter trend traders and harmonic pattern traders. All right, so 1 hour chart, this is what we have. Strong bullish movement, and we have a bit of retracement that happens after the Friday non-farm payroll. All right, so what you can do is to scan this QR code, and you let on to our website, where you can interact with us on your trading as well. What is your trading ideas that you have? You can share with us over here, and if you scroll down further, you can even learn our secret formula, how we set our stop loss buffer, because when we set the stop loss below a certain price, we will add a buffer. The formula is within this course, and it's absolutely free for you. Further down, you can even get to see our trading ideas over here that we share with our students. Once the ideas are out, we will send an email to them to let them know, hey, there's a trading ideas I'm looking at, I'm going to buy here, I'm going to sell here, where's my entry, stops, and targets. And target to most of the time, more than 90% of the time, in fact, I can safely say 95% of the time or more, you can expect a 2-1 ratio, meaning said that the projected target is 2 times of the initial risk. All right, that will put you in a great advantage in trading. All right, so back to our daily chart, let me share with you my analysis over here. What I have, if you have been following some time, you know that I have a bullish Gartley pattern, completing at X, a very deep Gartley, 112.57 for a buying opportunity, and we have this bullish channel over here. We have an uptrend. So overall, the movement is pretty much tilted towards the upside, because I have buyers of buying dollar yen as well. All right, however, the chart does fulfill with my buyers. I have to make it clear over here. And on top of that, this week I've spotted this bearish deep Gartley also complete at X. What a coincidence, right? 116.45. So either way, we are most likely able to either short at 116.45 or to buy at 112.59, which is pretty good. All right. Down to the 4-hour chart, likewise, if you're already in this trade on the 4-hour chart, if you have watched my previous weekly market analysis on dollar yen, congratulations, you have hit both targets over here, and most likely you engage somewhere over here, because that's a completion point, and maybe as it's somewhere over here, 81 pips is not too bad. All right, so if the market continue to go down, then we might just have a bullish Gartley pattern complete at 113.97. It really depends on how the candle form up. In some case or some manner, it can invalidate the entire setup. So if you have been trading harmonic pattern for quite some time, you have to know what kind of setup can invalidate the entire pattern, so you will not engage a trade that is going to be a losing trade. All right, so 1 hour chart, nothing much over here. And if I may take you to the 8 range bar, and let me hide the analysis anyway. All those colors came in from the 4-hour and the daily chart, and I just because there's a bug over here, I just don't want to hide it, because if I do that, then I'll have trouble. It will be a bit more troublesome for me to plot the range bar chart. So what I want to bring to your attention over here, based off the 8 range bar chart, uptrend movement, consolidation, market didn't really break and close below this low. It didn't happen. So these form a bullish flag buyers formation. All right. So, and if you are able to paste everything together, then Monday perhaps you just have to wake up early and see if there's a buying opportunity over here. Depends on your filters, your trading opportunities, how you are looking at and stuff like that, to look for a buying call for you. As long as this range bar is not broken, then you might able to piece things together, and once you're in this buying trade, daily chart, it can be a very, very extended trade. I don't usually recommend this, but if this is for you, then you are looking at a potential of 131 pips, and of course I would suggest that once the market has touched the previous high, or you have to observe if the bar, because you engage based on the 8 range bar, you have to make your analysis and decision based on the 8 range bar, have to break and close above 115.44. All right, and once it closes above, you can shift your stops or entry. You may want to decide to take the first target. Then if you have 2 targets trade, then the second target you can stretch it anywhere you want. If I were you, I will hit for the highest, all right, possible, which is this deep Gartley pattern 11641 at X. It will bring me 100 over pips of profits. Great returns, amazing returns. All right, so that's pretty much I have for you today. I hope this has been insightful for you, and looking forward to see you soon in our community. Take care.